yes, 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 lahat. By all. Kateki. New day, new bag. Miss Michelle D.
Hi!
For sure, kilala niyo siya. So, she's looking for this 3 vintage Chanel bags.
Yes. I love this one in-inquire ko a few days ago, and then this one also, and then this. And then, meron pang dalawa ko in-inquire, but they were sold na daw. Yung Fendi and the Bottega.
Yes.
Sold na, sayang. But then this one I really love. Kasi right now, I'm looking for vintage looking bags. So, not just looking, but vintage. Kasi vintage na to, no?
Vintage.
Considered vintage na. Tama ba?
Yes, ma'am. So ibig sabihin, vintage talaga yung hinahanap nyo?
Yes, sana. Okay. Because, I don't know, there's something about it, no? There's something about vintage bags.
May story, gano'n.
May story, may character. Iba yung dating niya.
This, ma'am, this one ata is 24 karat.
Wow.
Gold-plated hardware.
Love that.
Series 0. Series 1990.
I love that. And I also love this kasi ang unique. Diyan ang unique, oh. No? Ang ganda. And we love gold.
This is year 1986.
Wow. Oh my God.
Super vintage.
Super vintage. I love. And the color is great. And the condition is so nice.
For a vintage.
To think that it's from 1986? Ang ganda ng condition niya. Doon mo makikita na talagang hindi magbabago yung itsura ng mga bags. Wait lang. Kasi isa sa mga deciding factor ko kung babagay siya sa PA ko. Kasi si Jeng naman yung magkahawak. So, kung bagay sa kanya, it's a yes.
So, ito,
let's see. Siya yung mag-OOTD. Jeng, OOTD na.
Yeah. Para sa kanya pala talaga.
Is it
Let me check. Ay, parang maganda siya.
Yes. Is it bagay?
Bagay,
yes.
Yeah.
Approve. Ito naman. Jeng, ito din.
Check natin yan. Siyempre, ito. Pag ito.
Is it bagay? Oo, ganyan. Bagay. Bagay. Deciding factor.
Oo, kasi ganito ko magbibigay.
Yes, ganyan.
Ayan, maganda rin.
Maganda lahat, actually. And ang ganda ng mga condition, ha, in pairs.
Ganda rin.
Maganda rin atin.
Ganda lahat.
Winner lahat.
Ikaw,
ate, designer na kasi.
Ganda lahat.
Ganda lahat.
Designer na yan, ate.
Okay. Yes, lahat. By all.
Kateki. Miss Michelle,
yes po.
Ganda rin siya.
Maganda rin siya, pero I have a lot of this color in my collection. Yun yung iniiwasan ko recently, actually. Kasi I have so many beige. I have so many black. Mga neutral colors, I have a lot. So, kaya ito yung
Pop of color naman.
Yes. Gusto ko naman explore ng
other
colors. May character na konti. Because that one I also have that. So, kaya buti na lang sila Purse Maison, marami silang collection. Ang daming pagpipilian ng mga unique looking bags.
Maraming vintage.
That's what I love. Yes! Thank you so much. Thank you, Purse. Salamat po. I'm so happy with my purchases.
Yes, thank you so much.